Have you ever wondered what makes Guatemala, the heart of the Mayan world, so enchanting? Welcome, fellow explorers, to a country that effortlessly weaves together the threads of past and present, a place where ancient traditions dance hand in hand with modern vibrancy. This is Guatemala, nestled in the heart of Central America, a land that's often referred to as the land of eternal spring due to its pleasantly temperate climate year-round. From the Pacific to the Caribbean, Guatemala is a tapestry of breathtaking landscapes, a symphony of colors and textures that will leave you awestruck. Picture towering volcanoes reaching for the sky, their peaks shrouded in mist, and tranquil lakes that mirror the heavens, surrounded by lush, verdant hills. Imagine walking amidst the dense tropical rainforest, its silence broken only by the chatter of exotic birds and the rustling of leaves underfoot. This is a land where Mother Nature has generously spilled her bounty. But the true heart of Guatemala beats in its people, their culture, their traditions. The echoes of the ancient Mayan civilization reverberate in the vibrant markets, the intricate textiles, the majestic ruins that bear silent testimony to a glorious past. The Maya, with their rich heritage, are not a forgotten culture here, but a living, breathing part of Guatemala's identity. And then there's the cuisine. A culinary journey through Guatemala is a feast for the senses. The local dishes, rich in flavors and steeped in history, provide a gastronomic exploration of the country's diverse cultural roots. From the savory pipián to the hearty tamales, every bite tells a story. So, buckle up, adventurers. We're about to embark on a journey, a voyage of discovery that will take us through the awe-inspiring landscapes, the vibrant culture, and the delectable cuisine of Guatemala. We'll delve into the heart of this enchanting country, uncovering the magic that makes it so captivating. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the wonders of Guatemala. Together, we'll explore, we'll learn, we'll experience, and perhaps along the way, we'll find a piece of our hearts forever etched in the land of eternal spring. Guatemala is a country where the landscapes seem to have been painted by the gods themselves. Imagine a place where the earth rises to meet the sky in majestic peaks, where lush rainforests create a vibrant tapestry of life, and where serene lakes reflect the beauty of the world around them. This is Guatemala, a land of enchanting beauty and natural diversity. Let's begin our journey with the country's towering sentinels, the volcanoes. Guatemala is part of the Pacific Ring of Fire and hosts a total of 37 volcanoes, 3 of which are still active. Volcán de Fuego, or the Volcano of Fire, is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. It's a sight to behold, with its plumes of smoke billowing into the sky and occasional fiery eruptions that light up the night. But these volcanoes are more than just natural spectacles. They have shaped the country's landscape, contributed to its fertile soils, and influenced local culture and mythology. From the fiery peaks, we move to the tranquility of Guatemala's rainforests. These verdant expanses are a symphony of life, a testament to the planet's incredible biodiversity. They house a myriad of creatures, from the resplendent quetzal, Guatemala's national bird, to the elusive jaguar. The rainforests also serve as the lungs of the country, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, playing a crucial role in maintaining the planet's health. But the crown jewel of Guatemala's natural treasures has to be Lake Atitlán. Cradled by 3 towering volcanoes, this lake is considered one of the most beautiful in the world. Its serene waters mirror the surrounding landscapes, creating a spectacle of reflections that change with the time of day and the season. Lake Atitlán isn't just a feast for the eyes, though. It's a vital source of water, a hub for local communities, and a sanctuary for diverse wildlife. These landscapes aren't just breathtakingly beautiful, but they also serve as home to a rich variety of flora and fauna. Each one, from the fiery volcanoes to the tranquil lake, contributes to the intricate tapestry of life that is Guatemala. They serve as a reminder of nature's power and beauty, and of our responsibility to protect and preserve these natural wonders for generations to come. So, whether you're standing on the edge of a volcano, wandering through a rainforest, or gazing out across Lake Atitlán, take a moment to appreciate the majesty of Guatemala's landscapes. They're a testament to the country's natural diversity and inherent beauty, a world where every vista tells a story. Every peak has a legend, and every body of water reflects the heart and soul of Guatemala. These landscapes are not just breathtakingly beautiful, but also home to a rich variety of flora and fauna. They are the backdrop to the lives of the Guatemalan people, shaping their culture, their history, and their identity. And they await the adventurous spirit, ready to reveal their secrets to those who seek them out. The heartbeat of Guatemala is its vibrant culture, deeply rooted in Mayan traditions. This is a land where the past and the present dance together in a colorful symphony of customs, rituals, and lifestyle. When you step into Guatemala, you step into a world where history is not just confined to dusty textbooks, but lives and breathes in every corner of the country. The Mayan culture, one of the world's oldest civilizations, continues to influence Guatemala in a myriad of ways. Their ancient wisdom inscribed in glyphs, carved into stone and woven into textiles, adds an inimitable richness to the Guatemalan tapestry. The majestic pyramids and ruins stand as silent sentinels, bearing testament to a glorious past, while the vibrant Mayan language, Quiche, echoes in the bustling markets and tranquil villages. Speaking of markets, imagine a kaleidoscope of colors and a symphony of sounds. That's what you experience in Guatemala's bustling markets, where the air is filled with the enticing aroma of roasted coffee beans, fresh fruits, and spices. Here, bargaining is an art form, and the marketplaces are the stages where this art comes to life. Amid the hustle and bustle, one can find an array of traditional Mayan textiles, their intricate designs and vivid colors telling tales of the communities they come from. These textiles are more than just beautiful fabric. They are a language, a form of expression, a testament to the resilience and creativity of the Mayan people. Each pattern, each thread, each color carries a story, a piece of history, a fragment of someone's life. From the vibrant huipiles worn by women to the colorful rugs and blankets that adorn Guatemalan homes, these textiles are a vibrant testament to the country's rich cultural heritage. The ancient ruins, too, are a significant part of Guatemala's cultural landscape. Stepping into sites like Tikal or Quirigua is like traveling back in time. These archaeological wonders, with their towering pyramids and intricate carvings, offer a glimpse into the grandeur of the Mayan civilization. Whether you're a history buff or just an avid explorer, these ancient ruins will leave you in awe of their architectural brilliance and the civilization that created them. The culture of Guatemala is not just about its past, but also about its present. The traditions and customs, passed down through generations, continue to shape the country's identity. From the sacred rituals performed by Mayan priests to the vibrant festivals and dances that fill the streets with joy and color, the spirit of the Mayan culture is very much alive in Guatemala. The culture of Guatemala is a colorful tapestry woven with threads of history and tradition. It's a culture that celebrates its roots while embracing the present, a culture that's as diverse and vibrant as the landscapes that cradle it. When you visit Guatemala, you don't just see its culture, you live it, you breathe it, you become a part of it. And that's an experience unlike any other. Guatemalan cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors that tells the story of its diverse culture. Stepping into the world of Guatemalan gastronomy is like embarking on a culinary adventure. Each dish, each flavor, tells a tale of the country's rich history and culture. One can't help but be captivated by the delightful blend of ingredients that make up traditional Guatemalan recipes. Let's start with pepian, a dish that has its roots in the Mayan era. This hearty stew is a celebration of Guatemala's agricultural bounty. Pepian combines the robust flavors of roasted spices, sesame seeds, and a variety of local vegetables, slow cooked to perfection with chicken, beef, or pork. Each spoonful of pepian is a testament to the country's agricultural richness, a symphony of flavors that is uniquely Guatemalan. And then there are the tamales. A staple in Guatemalan households, tamales are more than just a dish. They are a beloved tradition. Wrapped in a banana leaf or corn husk, these pockets of joy are filled with a corn dough known as masa, and a selection of fillings that can range from meats and cheeses to fruits and even sweet chocolate. The preparation of tamales is often a communal affair, a time for families and friends to come together, reinforcing the strong bonds of Guatemalan community life. But the gastronomic journey doesn't end there. Guatemala's street food culture is a vibrant and essential part of the country's culinary landscape. From the bustling markets of Guatemala City to the quiet streets of Antigua, you can find vendors selling everything from chuchitos, mini tamales, to garnachas, small tortillas topped with a flavorful mix of meat, vegetables, and cheese. These simple yet delicious offerings are a testament to the country's love for food that's fresh, flavorful, and deeply satisfying. The beauty of Guatemalan cuisine lies not just in its flavors, but also in its ability to tell a story. Each dish is a reflection of the country's history, its interaction with different cultures, and its deeply ingrained love for the land. From the corn used in tamales, a crop that has been cultivated in Guatemala for thousands of years, to the use of spices introduced during the Spanish colonial period, Guatemalan cuisine is a delightful blend of the old and the new. Whether it's a bowl of comforting pepian, a steaming tamale unwrapped from its leafy cover, or a simple street food snack enjoyed under the open sky, every meal in Guatemala is a celebration of its vibrant culture and rich heritage. A trip to Guatemala is an unforgettable gastronomic journey. Guatemala, with its stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and delectable cuisine, has a spirit that is uniquely its own. This spirit is a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of history, tradition, and the indomitable resilience of its people. As we journeyed through the heart of this beautiful country, we discovered a land of contrasts, a place where fiery volcanoes coexist with tranquil lakes, where ancient Mayan ruins stand proud amidst bustling cities, and where the echoes of a rich history blend seamlessly with the rhythm of modern life. This is a land where every mountain, every lake, and every stone tells a story. Stories of ancient civilizations, of legendary heroes, and of timeless traditions. Stories that are kept alive in the hearts and minds of the Guatemalan people. But the true spirit of Guatemala lies in the warmth and hospitality of its people. Their love for their country is palpable. Their pride in their heritage infectious. From the bustling markets of Guatemala City to the serene shores of Lake Atitlán, the Guatemalan people welcome visitors with open arms and open hearts, eager to share the beauty and richness of their homeland. Guatemalan cuisine, vibrant and flavorful, is a testament to the country's rich cultural tapestry. Each dish, from the savory pepian to the hearty tamales, is a delicious journey through the country's culinary heritage. The traditions and customs of the Mayan culture, alive and thriving, are woven into the fabric of daily life. From their vibrant textiles to their ancient ruins, the Mayans have left an indelible mark on Guatemala, shaping its identity and spirit. In essence, the spirit of Guatemala is a celebration of life, a testament to resilience, and a tribute to a rich and diverse heritage. It's a spirit that resonates in the laughter of its people, in the beauty of its landscapes, and in the rhythm of its culture. Guatemala is not just a destination, it's an experience that stays with you long after you've left. It's a place that touches your soul, that inspires you, that makes you feel alive. And that, dear explorers, is the true spirit of Guatemala. Our journey through the heart of Guatemala comes to an end, but the memories we've made will last a lifetime. As we bid goodbye to this land of eternal spring, we carry with us the echoes of the lively marimba music, the taste of the delectable pepian, the sight of the mesmerizing Lake Atitlán, and the warmth of the Guatemalan people. Guatemala has unfolded before us in all its splendor, revealing a vibrant tapestry of culture, history, and natural beauty. We've marveled at the majesty of its volcanoes, immersed ourselves in the richness of the Mayan culture, and savored the flavors of its cuisine. Each experience has been a testament to the spirit of this incredible country. But remember, nothing compares to experiencing the magic of Guatemala firsthand. Each corner of this country holds a story waiting to be discovered, a tradition waiting to be experienced, and a landscape waiting to be explored. So pack your bags, step out of your comfort zone, and set out on your own Guatemalan adventure. Let the allure of the ancient Mayan ruins, the serenity of Lake Atitlán, the vibrancy of the markets, and the hospitality of the locals inspire your wanderlust. As we conclude this journey, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude for joining us. Your curiosity fuels our adventures, and your support helps us bring the world a little closer to you. If our journey through Guatemala has sparked your interest, don't hesitate to hit the like button and share this video with fellow explorers. And, of course, if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel. We have many more adventures lined up waiting to transport you to new corners of the world from the comfort of your screens. Your engagement helps us grow our community of explorers and travel enthusiasts. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the beauty of our world.